Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable tap to talk on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on settings. Now once you selected settings, scroll down the settings page and then select accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling. Keep scrolling until you get to wheelchair activity. Then scroll down. Under walk here, talk here, you should see tap to talk. When this is turned on, tap once to start talking and tap again to stop talking. Then tap to talk is now enabled. So this will connect your Apple Watch with your walk here, talk here. If you want to disable tap to talk again, just disable this. So that's exactly how to enable or disable tap to talk on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.